Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a short video on the services that we are going to offer for the students of all the stages of CMA course. Everyone is aware that Masterminds is extremely popular for the courses of CA and CMA, and ours is one of the biggest institution for CA and CMA courses in South India. So first of all, let us see what are the services that we are going to offer at CMA foundation level. My dear students, if you have got failed in CMA foundation examinations for which results have been recently announced, then you can join in our institution for CMA foundation crash batch. Of course, the old name of this batch is RT batch. RT stands for repeaters batch, and now we are calling this as crash batch. And this CMA foundation crash batch will be available at Guntur and all our branches. That means Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Vizag, Nellore, Kurnool, Tirupati, Amirpet as well as Dilsukhnagar. And how we will offer the coaching in Guntur as well as all our branches. We will merge the students of CMA foundation along with CA foundation students. That means there will not be any separate batch for CMA foundation students. You need not worry, because 90% of the syllabus of CMA foundation will get covered in CA foundation. Let us assume there are some chapters in CA foundation which are not required for CMA foundation. Then you can leave the classroom, stay in another classroom, and you can prepare on your own. Now whatever the 10% additional syllabus is there in CMA foundation, for that 10% we will provide the video lectures through our Masterminds online classes app, and you can watch the same in your convenient time. So 90% of the syllabus you will listen along with CA foundation students. Remaining 10% of the syllabus you will listen separately through Masterminds online classes app. Of course, for taking admission to CMA foundation crash batch, we have two options. Either you can join in complete physical batch or you can join in complete online batch. Right now the number of corona cases have come down like anything. In Guntur alone, more than 5,000 students of various courses are already attending classes physically, my dear students. Physically, they have already reported to our hostels and attending the classes physically. In such a case, you need not worry about the safety and security. You can comfortably join for physical batch. And my dear students, in my opinion, your attention levels will be high only in the physical batch, but not in online batch, my dear students. So the environment in which you study, it makes a lot of difference. Even though the coaching that we give may be same in physical batch as well as online batch, but the environment in which you study, it makes a lot of difference. That's why I personally recommend all the students to come and join for physical batch only. We have all the infrastructure readily available. We will take all the COVID-19 precautions to see that COVID-19 does not spread. And coming to online batch, we will conduct the classes through Zoom platform. It's up to you. It's up to you. So as far as the information that we received, more than 90% of the students are willing to come and join physically. So just 10% students are there who want to continue in online batch. Don't worry, we will continue online batch also. And we will make the students to write CMA foundation exams in June 2021, my dear students. And one hostel facility is available for boys and girls separately at Guntur, my dear students. Now let us see what are the services that we are going to offer at CMA Inter level. We'll have CMA Inter 16th regular batch. This is not our first or second batch. This is our 16th regular batch. So if you have already qualified CMA foundation either in the recent results or in the earlier results, you can come and join for CMA Inter. And this is a regular batch, and we will give a detailed coaching for each and every concept in 1600 to 1700 hours. And coaching will be completed in 6.5 to 7 months. And for the remaining period, we will conduct study hours and revision exams. And how we will offer the coaching in Guntur. As far as Guntur is concerned, we have an exclusive batch for CMA Inter regular batch. That means you will not be merged with any other students. It's an exclusive batch. It's available in Guntur alone. Now coming to branches, how we are going to offer coaching for CMA Inter students in branches. Frankly speaking, The CMA Inter coaching is available in all our branches, but the way we conduct the classes is different in Guntur as well as branches. As far as our branches is concerned, CMA Inter regular batch coaching is available in all our branches, and we will make you to sit along with the CA Inter students. As far as CMA Inter is concerned, 90% of the syllabus of CMA Inter will get matched with the CA Inter. So 90% of the syllabus you will sit along with CA Inter students and you will listen along with them. But as far as the remaining 10% syllabus is concerned, we will provide video lectures through Masterminds online classes app, and you can watch those videos in your convenient time. And students can choose to join in physical batch as well as online batch. Of course, so we have not yet taken any decision with respect to online batch. Based on the number of students who are going to respond, we will take a decision. With respect to online batch, we will conduct the classes through Zoom platform. Anyhow, we are willing to offer both the options to the students, physical as well as online batch. Let us see how many students will come and join for online batch, how many students will be interested to join in online batch, because most of the students are willing to come for physical batch only. So based on the response, we will take a decision. And you will get the best in the industry quality of coaching. Best faculty will be teaching all the subjects. So we have own hostel facility for boys and girls separately, my dear students, and I recommend all the students to come and join physically only. Don't worry about COVID-19. And the next service that we are going to offer is CMA Inter post result study hours and revision exams batches. There will be a large number of students who feel that they don't need coaching again, but they just need some environment to study well. So for the convenience of those students, we will offer a service called study hours and revision exams. As a part of this service, we will conduct the study hours physically. You can come here, you can come to our college, sit in the classrooms and can study well, and we will make you to study well for the entire day. And students can choose to join for single group or both groups. It's your wish. So we'll be conducting 2 exams a week for the students of both groups, and we'll be conducting 1 exam a week for the students of single group. And this service is available in Guntur as well as all our branches. Let us assume you are not interested to attend study hours physically. Don't worry. We will not conduct study hours for such students, but we will conduct revision exams alone, and that service is called Masterminds Test Series. As a part of this service, we will not conduct any physical study hours, but we will just conduct revision exams, and those revision exams you need to attend right from your home. You need not come to our campus. You stay in your home, prepare for the schedule, we will provide you the schedule, prepare for the schedule and write the exams as per the schedule. And unlike others, we will even evaluate your exam papers. We have seen several test series. They will conduct the exam, but they don't evaluate, but we will evaluate the papers and we will give valuation report also. And we even make arrangements for doubts clarification. This service is also available in Guntur as well as all our branches. If you want to come and attend the study hours physically, then we have hostel facilities separately for boys and girls at Guntur. Now coming to CMA final level, we have a CMA final regular batch. So how we are going to conduct the classes? We don't have a separate batch for CMA final. First, we will make you to sit along with CA final students. 90% of the syllabus of CMA final will get covered in CA final, and for the remaining 10% syllabus, we will share you video lectures through Masterminds online classes app, and you can watch those videos like video lectures in your convenient time. So phase 3 of admissions are running now for CA and CMA final batches, and they are going to start from February 1st onwards, and we will be providing videos through Masterminds online classes app. For CA final or CMA final, right now we are not conducting any physical classes. We will be conducting only online batch, in which we will be providing video lectures to you through Masterminds online classes app. And this batch is going to start from February 1st, and you can watch videos till September 30, 2021. That means 8 months of time is given. And best in the industry coaching is given for all the subjects. We have the best team of faculty for all the subjects of CMA final. That means you can take coaching for all the subjects under one roof. You can stay home and you can attend coaching for all the subjects. And classes will be conducted in online mode only, that is through Masterminds online classes app, no physical classes. After completion of syllabus, if you are interested, you can attend study hours and revision exams physically. So this service is available in Guntur as well as all our branches. Now coming to CMA final post results study hours and revision exams. In this service we will conduct the study hours physically and we will make the students to study for the whole day. And this service is also available in Guntur as well as all our branches. You can choose to write either both groups or single group, and in this service we will make you to sit for the entire day and prepare well for your exams, and you need to write 2 exams a week. If you are appearing for both the groups, then 2 exams a week. If you are appearing for a single group, then only 1 exam a week. And this service is available in Guntur as well as all our branches. Some students may not be interested to attend physically study hours. In such a case, we have MMTS service. MMTS stands for Masterminds Test Series. In this service, we will not conduct any physical study hours, but we will make you to write revision exams just like the students who are attending physically. You can appear for those exams right from your home. You can prepare well and directly write the exams from your home. Unlike others, we will evaluate your exam papers and we will give evaluation report, and we will also make arrangements for doubts clarification. This service is also available in Guntur as well as all our branches. My dear students, if you are an SSP student of Masterminds, then you can convert from CA to CMA at any stage, that is in the stage of foundation or inter or final, by paying some nominal conversion charges. And for more details, you need to contact the following mobile numbers. Please call or contact only between 9 AM to 6 PM. So these are the mobile numbers. You can pause the video, note down the numbers and make a call. And dear students, don't forget to install our Masterminds online classes app for a lot of useful services. You can directly pay the amount and access large number of services available in the app. And for that purpose, you need to install Masterminds online classes Android app from Play Store. So please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for useful content and updates. Click the bell icon for all the latest notifications, and please do follow our Facebook page and Instagram pages for useful content and updates. My dear students, if you have any doubts with respect to academics, don't worry, I am here to solve your doubts. You can contact me on any date, any time. So on my number 9248733348. So please note down my number 9248733348, and my mail ID is mssprakash2012@gmail.com. So through these 2 channels, you can contact me at any point of time, and you can contact me even through Facebook Messenger. I will be available and I will love to handle your doubts or complaints. All the best, my dear students.